There are 8 billion humans on Earth and 3.8 billion of them are women and 3.9 billion of them are men, but now you are the one man left on Earth. Is it a reality, imagination, or just a dream? One day you wake up in the morning and see half of the population of Earth is gone. But they won't just disappear haphazardly. It's just the males that are gone, the group, the buddies, the parents, the bros. We are not sure about them how they disappear. May it's the Thanos snap, but we don't have time worried about this because you got a bigger problem than watching SpongeBob or to get the beer with your pal. First the sorrow comes. Then it's girls and then comes the biggest question, are you ready for repopulation? Being only responsible for repopulating the world might sound like fun. But in reality, it's a lot of hard work. Since 1973, male sperms are going down across America and Europe. No one knows why, but according to scientists this happens due to smoking, pollution, stress, or drinking. You are the only man left who can restore the human race, so you have to exercise regularly and have to take a lot of vitamin D. You'd also have to increase your vitamin C and zinc intake, since they're both crucial antioxidants you need for healthier birth, but everything have a price. You have to leave drugs to stay healthy from inside and outside because of the negative effects it has on fertility. But if you are not taking proper rest and your mind is full of stress, then this will have a bad impact on your health, because getting proper rest and reducing stress is too much important, because it's up to you to repopulate Earth. If we but the light on your situation, you wouldn't get to enjoy your time because there were 3.8 billion bachelorettes waiting for you out there. More realistically, you'd probably be set up in some kind of fertility clinic for efficiency's sake. You don't have to keep worrying about you are the only man left on this planet. According to legends 6,000 years ago, due to climate or ecological factors that seem to have had a greater impact on the male population, there was only one man for every 17 women. In more modern examples, wars have been the biggest factor causing a gender imbalance between men and women in a given society. In the worst case, according to scientists, we need a mix-up of 98 healthy men and women to establish a stable population. To solve this problem, we have to avoid it. To prevent these causes, we need to take care of our environment and have to choose love over war, because violence is not the way. There are many other facts about it, but it seems to be another topic of explore around us. Make sure to subscribe and turn notification on.